Hello, hello. Welcome to another episode of me taking my car apart. See right here, I had to take out the wiper blade motor and the automatic antenna because I need to weld up some holes in my hatch in order to put on my GT Pro wing that I picked up that I've been dying to finally use. And so, pretty much, this is just going to be me doing a bunch of sanding and welding. Prep work, of course, as you can see right now. And those, it's not the big hole I'm welding up, it's like the little ones. And please excuse my MIG, but it's very old. This MIG has seen a lot of hours and it's figgity. It works when it wants to work, but whatevs. And that's pretty much all I had to do for today. So just enjoy some music now. Thanks. Towards the end of welding up. I just wanted to come back with a little bit more commentary. There is a little spot that I'm going to point out right here. I hate beady holes. I took care of those. So that side right there is going to look nice and beautiful like this side right over here. That's how I like for my stuff to look. So I went back over that with the MIG before, of course, I started putting body filler on. Everything at this point in time is done. I'm just going to hit it with a little bit of light primer afterwards and call it a day. The next project is going to be measuring out the rear wing and getting that ready to drill the holes and install it. And I also have a video coming up of the rear bumper, which has been a ton of fabrication work. So stay tuned for all of that. And like always, guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Ciao.